What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy and sell options using interactive brokers. But real quick, before we get hop into the video, what I need you guys to do is make sure to click that like, as well as clicking that subscribe and that bell icon. It would mean the absolute world to me. And if you want more interactive brokers content in the future, make sure to comment down below. But without further ado, let's hop into the video. So real quick, in case you guys did not see my interactive brokers trading setup, make sure you guys do go watch that video. I'm going to be leaving that link down in the description. I show you guys exactly how to set this all up right here. So again, make sure you guys do watch the video. Anyway, so now from here, what we're going to do is on interactive brokers, we kind of have something that's known as the active trader on ThinkorSwim. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to set your chart up exactly how it looks on this screen right here. And then you're going to go on over to the stock that you want to buy calls or puts on. So right now I just have QQQ pulled up. So I want to look at the 315 calls on QQQ. What we're going to do is we're going to click and we're going to drag it on right over here. So now at this point, this is our option for the QQQ 315 calls. And maybe we like Apple, but we like Apple for puts. What we're going to do, go on over to the 165p, we're going to click it, and then we're going to drag it and drop it right here. So now when it comes to actually buying and selling the option, as you can see, the bid right now is 2.10 and the ask is going to be 2.13. So if we're buying, we want to click the ask, and now we can see that it's going to pop up to buy this thing. From here, what we're going to do is we can market order. You can put in a limit order. But typically, if you're going to be day trading and it's something that's moving pretty quick, you probably want to go with the market, especially if there is a tight spread. So with the QQQ, we're just going to buy it at the market, and then you can put the amount of quantity that you want. Maybe you want to buy 10, maybe you want to buy 5. It's really up to you. So now at this point, you have in how much you're willing to buy at the price that you want to look to buy it at. So now once this is all pulled up, what you're going to do is you're going to click buy. And then as you can hear, the guy, he just said, order partially filled, and then order fully filled. So now at this point, you are in the trade. So now once you hear that, you are in the trade. And as you can see right here, this is showing you your exact trades. Again, make sure to set up your interactive brokers. That way it looks exactly like mine. And then right here is where it's going to pop up showing you your daily P&L. So now, as you can see, again, I'm in these QQQ calls, and the total P&L for the day on this QQQ is 117. Actually, what we're going to do, we're going to edit this real quick. That way you guys can see it a little better. We're going to click new window, and then we're going to click portfolio. So this is going to show you your actual daily P&L right here. Again, you guys can just add that to your chart if you would like, so you can see how your position is moving. So again, this is up $189 right now. So now if you want to go to sell, and if you guys do want me to make a video on how to set up hotkeys on interactive brokers, again, make sure to like the video and comment down below. I will make a whole separate video on that. But now if you want to go to sell, what you're going to do is you're going to click bid. So once you click on the bid, this is going to pull up the sell right here. So again, once you have up the sell, you then want to go to the limit. You want to make sure that you have a limit. And let's just say that these options are going for 2.17. What you're going to do is you're going to put in 2.17, and you want to make sure that you're selling, however much you want to sell. Maybe you have 10 options, maybe you have 5, whatever it ends up being. You're then going to go to the quantity, and maybe I only want to sell 5 out of my 10 positions. What you're going to do is you're going to put the quantity to 5, and then you're going to hear the guy say order filled. So you'll know that you got filled as soon as you hear that guy end up saying order filled. So as you can see down here in your trades and activity tab, it ended up getting filled for 5 on the sell. Again, here's your daily P&L. You can see right here that the account still has 5 open positions. So now with QQQ, again, I don't even know what's happening in the market, but so again, just say you want to exit the entire position because you like your profits. What you're going to do, go back to here. You're going to click on the bid. So it pulls up sell. You're going to put in limit. It's currently trading at 2.2. So let's just put a sell at 2.19, and maybe let's just sell 4. That way we have one runner. Again, you're going to do the same thing, click the position to sell, and then you can hear the guy say order filled. Now at this point, there's one contract left. So now again, let's just say you want to sell the entire position. What you're going to do, you're going to click bid, go to sell, set your quantity to 1, limit, and then let's put the limit at, let's see, they're currently trading at 2.25. Let's put the sell limit at 2.24. And then again, we're going to click T to get out of this position. So now we can see that it is currently sitting at this level, waiting to get filled on the sell.
Order filled.
And then there it is. It finally got filled. So again, I'm going to show you guys one more time on how to do this. Say you're bearish on Apple and you think Apple is going to go down in price. So you're going to go and you're going to buy the puts. Maybe you want to buy 5 of them. And again, you want to buy them at the market if you want to get in quickly. We're just going to buy these right now.
Order filled.
And then the order got filled. So again, it's going to pop up over here, your position, which is going to be 5 contracts, how much you're down or how much you're up. And then when you want to go to sell, you're going to click on the bid. That way it pops up with sell. So again, say you want to sell your position, you're going to do the same exact thing. Choose the quantity, either limit or market, really up to you. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're just going to sell it at whatever price. And then yet again, we're going to click right here. And then we're going to wait for the guy to say order filled.
Order filled.
And then there we go. So I had to switch it on over to market because it wasn't selling. But as you guys heard, the order got partially filled and then it got fully filled. So that is exactly how you are going to buy and sell using interactive brokers. Again, if you guys do want to check out interactive brokers, the link is going to be down in the description. If you guys do want more videos on interactive brokers, make sure to comment down below and let me know. Other than that, make sure to click that like button as well as clicking that subscribe button. It would mean the absolute world to me. As always, everybody have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.